Here's how to withdraw money from Bovada to Cash App step by step. First, log into your Bovada account. On the main menu, tap Cashier and then select Withdraw. Next, you'll need to choose your withdrawal method. Bovada mainly pays out through crypto, so go ahead and pick Bitcoin. Now jump over to Cash App. Tap on Bitcoin, then tap Deposit Bitcoin. Copy your Bitcoin wallet address. Head back to Bovada and paste that wallet address into the withdrawal field. Enter the amount you want to cash out and hit confirm. Now it's just a waiting game. Bovada usually processes Bitcoin withdrawals within an hour, though sometimes it can take longer. Once the Bitcoin hits your Cash App, you'll see it show up under your Bitcoin balance. From there, tap Sell to convert it into US dollars. The cash goes straight into your Cash App balance, and now you can spend it with your cash card or transfer it to your linked bank. And that's it. You've just withdrawn from Bovada to Cash App. If this helped you out, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more quick money tutorials.